My name is Patrick Noka, and I'm a building energy specialist at BCM PHA, and I'm here to meet Eric and Steve, the manager and engineer for this project.
Hi, I'm Steve Arnold from Building Energy Solutions with the mechanical and electrical engineers for the solar retrofit project.
Hi, my name is Eric from Baptist Housing. I'm the Director of Maintenance and Sustainability for Baptist Housing. We're here to show the new solar retrofit project for Evergreen Manor.
Hey Eric, can you tell me a little bit about the system and who it's serving?
Yeah, Evergreen Manor is serving 110 seniors. And the building was built back in the 70s. The project came to be is we needed to replace our aging system, which was still the original to the building. We started talking to the utility companies, we started talking to the BC Nonprofit Housing Association. We had energy study report done, and from there on, solar just became a simple, quick solution for renewable energy support on this particular site.
This system has been operational for a while now. Can you tell me about some of the wins and takeaways?
Yeah, so the system has been now online for about two and a half years right now. We are seeing a significant cost reduction in domestic hot water overall. There is roughly about a $3,200 cost reduction in natural gas on that particular site. Of course, we got the support from the utility companies for the capital incentive to actually implement the project overall.
Oh, that's great to hear. And you mentioned that the success in this project has led Baptist Housing to implement something similar in some other buildings. Can you tell me a bit more about that?
Yes, absolutely. So the success of that system really led into our other two retrofit projects that we have done. One is in Victoria, and the other one is right a building on the same campus. So we quickly realized how efficient the system is operational and how much it is actually supporting the operational cost to reduce energy as a whole on the campus itself.
So Steve, how does the solar hot water preheat system work?
Well, this solar hot water preheat system can reduce the boiler load by capturing the free energy available from the sun. It preheats the cold water to the domestic hot water tanks inside the boiler room.
And can you tell me what's noteworthy about this particular project?
Yeah, whilst we've retrofitted this project to a gas boiler system, it could also be retrofitted to an electric system too, so we could reduce those electric water charges too. The panels that we specified, they're Viessmann panels, and they have a special coating on them which can reduce or turn off the panels entirely, so we don't overheat the water to the building. The rewards for us on this project was not only to provide the client with a robust and reliable system, but it's also to help reduce their utility costs and reduce their GHG emissions by retrospect. Working with non-profits, the rewards for that for us, for BES, is to actually realise those savings in the real life community.
Let's head to the mechanical room.
All right, let's go.
So Eric, what other energy saving features did this project include?
Yeah, so besides the high efficiency boiler and the solar system, we installed a micro DDC system that is completely monitoring our pumps, our boilers, our communication to the solar system, including our mixing valves. So that allows the system to speak all one language, and we're able to do a demand control or reduce the demand if it's not required. And the system goes in a standby mode, so to speak. The other portion that we installed is variable speed drive pumps. Those ones are maintaining a temperature and a certain flow rate in the system, and it's always responding to a certain demand in the building.
Hey Steve, I noticed that the temperature of the room is really comfortable, and then the boilers are barely warm to the touch. Can you tell me about how you've prevented heat loss in this room?
Yeah, sure. So this is a high efficiency boiler that's thermally insulated in its core. We've also insulated all the pipework to reduce heat loss from the heating system. And we've gone as far as insulating the pump bases as well, so there's minimal heat loss in the room now.
Can you tell me about the commissioning of this project?
Yeah, sure. So we would always recommend the use of an engineer or a contractor with expert knowledge of solar retrofit projects. That usually makes commissioning quick and easy and a very, very smooth process. We should also remember that we should seek funding through the utility companies or government agencies. Projects like this won't necessarily have the business case to move forward, so it's imperative that we seek those incentives for these projects, and they not only help pay for the installation, but they also help pay for the engineering portion too.
Wow, that's great to hear.
It started off with the utility companies and BC Nonprofit Housing Association that support the entire idea of installing solar systems. When we looked at the project and analyzed the rebates and analyzed the energy cost savings, it just made sense. With the utilities supporting a capital project like this, it supported the entire site. The project made a difference, really, that we are able to invest in our community, we're able to invest in renewable energy that is staying on site. It just makes the building more efficient, more sustainable, and more affordable for the community overall. The hopes out of all of our project currently is that we can continuously innovate and install renewable energy sources on all of our buildings to make the buildings sustainable for the future.
Thanks for the tour today, Steve and Eric.
It was a pleasure to have you guys.
If you're a nonprofit society interested in energy solutions like solar, please reach out to BC NPHA.